we are going on to the last section of chapter 3, approximation and approximation errors in real-world context. Okay, now let's take a look at rounding errors in page 90 at the bottom. Rounding off non-exact values in intermediate working may result in follow-through errors. Okay, let us investigate the types of follow-through errors that rounding off can lead to. Now, actually, I just need to tell this and it will make sense already. Now, can you see that if my final answer is to be given to 3 significant figures, all the intermediate working must be more than 3 significant figures. If not, the answer will be rounding off more and more and more. You know what I'm talking about? Okay? So we have to be careful. And the other day, I gave you the rule to present your answers, right? All working should be 4 significant figures, truncate. Truncate means what? Cut. Right? And final answer to what? 3 significant figures, round off. Already told you that. Okay? Now, then, if you look at the investigation and so on, okay, look at the final conclusion on page 81 in the middle, the green box. Follow-through errors can occur if no exact values in intermediate working are not rounded off to a sufficient degree of accuracy. Okay? Now, then the next line. There is no need to round off exact values. What do you mean by that? For example, what if the exact values and not exact values? For example, the answer is 25. 25 is already exact. No need to go and round off. You understand? If the answer is the exact form. Now, even if it is 25.125, this is also exact. Understand? Understand what I'm talking about? Even if it's, let's say, 50.25, this is also exact. Because this is actually 50 and 1/4, right? It's exact answer. Unless the calculator gives you 50.2512785 all the way, then this is not exact. Okay? As long as it is a terminating decimal, it is exact. Understand? Exact values are not supposed to be rounded off or truncated. We have to leave it as it is. Everybody clear? Okay? For example, 25. 25 is already exact. Don't need to do anything. Okay? Understand? Alright, good. Now, then you look at the next page. Example 4. Sufficient significant figures in intermediate working. Now, I'm going to write this on the board because I know what the text was. They're not following what we do in O levels. Understand? So I want to look at example 4 now. Okay. Can we take a look now and work example 4, page 82? Alright. Later on you take down. The area of a square is 131 cm square. This is the area. Find the length. Now, do you agree that if it is a square, all the length will be the same? Okay? Now, everybody, I've done this before. L square will be 131, right? Because L times L, right? Correct? Okay, go for those cannot. L times L is 131. Therefore, L square is 131 in index notation. How do I get L? The square root of 131. And what is it? Okay, how do you keep the square root of 131 now? Tell me the answer on the calculator. 11 point. I want the whole thing. 4, 5, 1, 2, right? Okay, I told you already. Intermediate working, we are given to find truncate. So 11.445 truncate, right? Chop off. Alright? So the length will be 11.4 cm. Okay. Yes or no plus? Okay, now look at the textbook. Later I will show you why there are 2 schools of thoughts and then we have to calculate the first one. Okay. Now this is the length. Look at part B. What do they want? What do they want? The perimeter, right? Perimeter of the square. Now, perimeter will be, I will take one of the length times 4. Correct. Do I take this or do I take this? First one or second one? First one or second one? First one. 11.445. Okay, because it's working. So all of you key in now. 11.445 times 4. What will it give you? Okay? Just tell me the number. Don't tell me on the number. 4. 4? 5.78. That's all. Okay. So this will be 45.1. Okay. cm. That will be the parameter. Okay? Now, I want to warn you here. This is important. Some people will say, sure, when I have this is exact, why you round off? But can you see that this one is already rounded off? Correct? So it cannot be an exact value. We just take something that we estimated, then we do the thing, and this one of course must be rounded off to 3 centimeter figure. Now, the textbook write 11.446. Right. That's why your computer says what? 44552, right? Now, what the textbook did was that they round off to 5 truncate, 11.446 as here. Okay, now, there's one school of thought. You round off and then you round off again. For us, we do the second school of thought. We truncate, then we round off. Because when you round off and round off, sometimes you over round. You understand? But when we chop off, sometimes we will negate off the effects. Both are acceptable, but Swimming Secondary has adopted the second one. You understand? The truncated and then the round off. Are we clear? Now, then you will ask me, what if in exam, right? I put 11.4 times 4, then I get the answer. I will still give it correct, but I will circle this. I will want us off accuracy now. You understand? Because you are not accurate enough. You realize that in the WA tomorrow, there will be a table in front. I will minus accuracy, you don't put units, I will also minus that kind of thing. And the whole paper, I only minus off once. But I will write all the question number down there. You understand? One type of error will deduct one time. Okay, but it's a conceptual error that the question is wrong, then of course we deduct from the question. You just know minor things like you didn't truncate, you didn't whatever. Everybody clear? Okay? Alright, so that will be for your example 4. Now let's take a look at difference between value with specified degree of accuracy and approximate value. Now that whole chunk down there, I will want you to read through it yourself. Will that be okay? Because it's just estimation. Is that understood? You read through it yourself. Everybody okay? Alright, now then we go to 3.3. Alright? And I'm going on straight into work example 5. Now, before that, I want to look at the front statement. Sometimes we may key in the wrong value when using the calculator and obtain a wrong answer. We can use estimation to check if an answer obtained from a calculator is reasonable or obviously wrong. Understand? Alright, I give you some time to read through that question. Work example 5. 1 minute, how long do you wait? Then use a calculator to see if the answer is close to what you have estimated. Now, actually, we don't even have to use calculator. I know she wrong. Am I right? Can you see this is 30 plus? How much is this? 5 plus 8, but because even go to 300. Of course, cannot lah. That means the fat finger must have punched something on it. Okay, never mind. We do an estimation. This is about 30 right here. Alright, how about this? About what? 10 right? How about this? About what? 2. So this is about what? 40 minus 2 is about 38 right? How can it be 300 over? Do you agree? Okay, you use your calculator and punch in for me now. I want the exact answer. What's the exact answer? 39.27. Now, you realize that the way I read it is different from the way textbook read it, right? Alright, now what does it mean? Do you agree that different people have got different methods of estimation? As long as you are comfortable with it, you are fine. For example, I have, let's say, one object costs $9.90. I buy 4. It's about $40, right? The example will be $40, then you minus off 40 cents, right? Alright, but some people don't like that. They will say, oh, 9 times 4 is 36. 90 cents times 4 is 360. Then they add up together. It's up to you. But the thing is that you must have your own system of approximating things or estimating things. Are you clear with what I'm saying? It's perfectly fine. Okay? Alright, so that will be your example 5. Are we clear here? I'm just telling you that it's quite easy to see or spot mistakes. Okay? Alright, now let's do part B. Shopping with different currency. Example 6. This one is when you go abroad, right? Want to buy things. I think you go touring to your parents, you should know. They will always say, this one is how much in Singapore dollars? How much is this in Singapore dollars, right? Okay, now let's take a look at example 6. A wallet contains 225 fiber. The conversion rate is 1 baht is Singapore dollars 0.041212. Okay? Without using a calculator, estimate the price of the wallet in Singapore dollars. Okay. 1 baht is this. How about 100 baht? You divide. 4.121 grams. You agree? I thought about 100 first time. Okay? Then this one is how much? 225, right? I can talk about 200, right? If it's 200, it will be how much? This one times 2, right? So about maybe $8. Around that? Around $8 or 8 plus? Correct. Then 25. Do you agree that it's 1/4 of this? Can see it? 1/4 of this. 1/4 of this is about what? About $1. Do you agree it's about $1? So I add about $1. So it's actually about $9 or $10, right? Singapore. Are we clear? Are we clear with what I'm talking about? So you can do some simple calculations in your brain. You can do it already. Now, how is the actual conversion done? I'm going to show you now, okay? And this one is done throughout my lessons. Even when you go up to set 2, I will still use this particular format. Okay, now, I want them to look here. 4 apples, let's say, cost $2. I want to find the cost of 7 apples. It will be 2 divided by 4, right? What's the meaning of 2 divided by 4? I find 1 apple, how much, right? Then I times what? 7. It's always this over this times this, right? Okay, now, I'm going to do this here now. 1 baht is Singapore dollars 0.041212. 225 baht will be Singapore dollar 0.041212 divided by 1 times what? Times 225, very good. to full decimal place, right? So 9.27, that's all. Everybody clear? The exact one when you go to the money changer is actually 9.27. Are you clear with what I'm saying here? Yes or no? Yes. Okay, good. Alright, now next part. Value for money. Okay, let's have a look at work example 7. You are in a supermarket with your neighbor and she sees the following options for the same brand of coffee powder. Okay, now coffee powder 1 is 200 gram coffee powder for 580. Option number B is 200 gram plus 50 gram coffee powder for what? 7.5. Now, can you see that I cannot compare like that? Can I say that straight away this one is cheaper? Can I say straight away that one is cheaper? Why not? Because it's how many grams? 200. How about here? 250, right? Do you agree with what I'm saying? If you want to compare, you must make sure you are comparing the same amount. Am I right? Of course, the textbook gave you some ways of estimating, but I am going to do a different form of estimating. Would that be okay? As I told you, different people have got different kinds of estimation. Everybody clear? Okay. Now, 20 grams. How to get 1 kilogram? Times 5, right? What is this times 5? 5 times 5 is $25. 80 times 5 is what? $4, right? 25 times $4 is roughly, is actually exactly $29. Am I right? Okay. Now, how about this? This is 250 gram, is 7.5. How to get 1 kilogram? Times what? 4. Okay. Let's say this is 750. I times 4. 750 times 4. 7 times 4 is 28. Okay? 28 plus $2, right? How much is it? About $30, right? Correct? Yes or no class? Okay, so as you can see here, like that, which one is cheaper? Can you see that option A, coffee powder A is cheaper? Can you see what I'm talking about? Okay, I want you to keep for me. 7.45 times 4. How much is it? This one is 28, right? This is actually 180, you know. So it's 29, 80, right? Can you see? Now, how come I can compare now? Because I have a 1 kilogram and 1 kilogram, and then I have this that I can compare. It's not much more, but the more you buy, the worse you will get, right? Can you see it? Now, look at the textbook. Can you see they give you a different way of estimation? And it also turns out that option A gives the better value for money. That means option A is cheaper. Are you clear? Okay, now for me, right? Actually, I won't do it like the textbook. I think it's very troublesome. Before I get done, I change to 1 kilogram. What's the problem? Then I can compare also. Do you understand what I'm saying here? So that's what I say. Different people have different ways of estimating. Are we clear now? As long as the way of estimating is logical, it's fine. Okay? Alright, now next. Next one is a strategy that you can use. Okay, page 85. I'm at page 85 now. The Greek mathematician Archimedes estimated that 8 times 10 to the power of 63 grains of sand are required to fill the universe. Wow, universe there. Huh? Archimedes did not make a wild guess or count every grain. Instead, he used an important estimation strategy, which is using a smaller quantity to estimate a larger quantity. First, he counted the number of grains of sand required to fill a spoon. Then, he estimated the number of spoons of sand to fill a room. Then, he calculated the number of rooms of sand required to fill a stadium. many bottle caps are inside, or how many coins are inside the big thing.
And then you
get correctly your price, right? Do you go back physically go and count how many? Actually, you estimate a little amount is how much. Then you times, right? Then roughly you can get the answer. So this is one strategy, okay? For example, I want to say one classroom, okay? Maximum can see how many students, okay? Then I can also estimate by the whole of the school how many classrooms I can see how many students. So roughly you can estimate. Go from small to big. You don't say straight away about whole school, wow, die already, I don't know how to do it. Okay, and from the whole school I can say the whole estate, right? Am I right to say that? Whole estate, and then after that the whole of Singapore. Everybody clear? Okay, so from small to big, huh? Alright. Now, so this is a small to big strategy. Now, last example that I have will be example 8. Can all of you look at example 8 on page 86? On page 86. Alright, let's take a look at page 86. Alright. Now, I have this funny shape here. And this part is shaded. Correct? The question asks, estimate the ratio of the area of the shaded region to that of the unshaded region in the figure below. Now, can you look at the picture? Can you see that roughly I can divide into like maybe 4 equal portions? So shaded is how many portions? 3. Unshaded is how many? 1. So it's roughly 3:1. Now what if I change the question? I want to say shaded to the whole figure. Then what is it? 3:4. So you must read the questions carefully. Are we clear? Okay, now this whole part on estimation and approximation is just how we look at things. Understand? How we estimate in real life and how we do approximation. That's all. Now I'm going to start a piece of homework together with you, but I am not able to complete today. Okay, so don't worry. Listen to me carefully. Don't you this person wants to tell me about homework. Okay, listen up. This homework I give, I will do it together with you because I need to train you on the truncate and around. Understand? Because tomorrow is WA, there's no way I can do anything. Okay? After your WA, the next lesson is HBL. I also cannot do anything. Understand? HBL, you will see I actually giving you algebra to read only. To read and see if you understand. Then Friday you come back, we'll continue this piece of homework and we'll continue our algebra. Is that clear? Is this clear enough for everyone? Okay. What number is it on the content page now? Now I write what? 7, huh? Okay, very good. Can you write down 7? Today say exercise 3B. Okay. Exercise 3B. I'm going to write down the title. Estimation approximation. All of you take out foolscap paper now. Okay. All of you take out foolscap paper now. As I said, I will complete this whole thing by Friday. Understand? Then you'll continue with chapter 4. Clear? Okay. Now, on the foolscap, a lot of you are still not following my instructions. Write exercise 3B. Estimation. Approximation. Then write the date. I'm going to start now. on page 87. What is the greatest number of sweets that can be bought with $2 if each sweet costs 30 cents? $2 and 30 cents are not in the same units. Alright. Number of sweets will be 200 divided by 30, right? When I do this, what am I doing? Changing the dollar to cents. Okay. All of you use a calculator. $200 divided by 30. Will you get a 6.67 if I give it to 3 centimeter figure? Yes or no? Now, can you tell me what is the number of sweets that I can buy? Is it 7 or 6? This one I have to round down because it's not enough money to buy 7, you know. So how much is it? 6. Everybody clear? Everybody clear? This is how we present. Okay. Now, the rest I will discuss with you the next time. I will not give you because in case you are too stressed you go and do, I'm going to revise for your WA1. Understand? So what's my strategy here or what's my schedule here? Tomorrow WA1, Thursday your APL, Friday we finish this, plus continue chapter 4. Yeah? Okay, so now stop the video.